Wow.
But it looks like a nice pumpkin punch.
This is definitely going to be one of my favorite drinks. A little less ginger. It has a little spice, so some people like it. But vegan drink, you guys, I'm gonna be selling this one for sure.
This one is the best out of all of them. All the ones in this.
If you want to see this full video, trust me, you want to try this at home. It's healthy for the kids. It is plant-based. It's oat milk with carrot punch, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna be selling that one. So
Best drink ever.
yeah, it tastes real good. Put a little bit of... It tastes good. Honestly, this tastes really good. It's like a creamy pumpkin punch. It tastes like.
It's like a carrot punch.
There you go. Okay, a little bit. That's it. A little bit. Come on, I don't want to waste it. This is like magical right here. Oh my god, this tastes really good. Wow. Yes, I nailed it. Welcome to Alberta. So I'm going to start by washing my carrots. I peeled all these while I was live on Instagram. And I only have one very tiny piece of ginger because you don't want it too strong. So that's basically it. Let me just take some clips for my washer. Okay, and I've got my oats. You can see my oats is frozen right now. Basically, I am going to blend this and combine the two and make a nice punch with it. Let me get this ready. Get our carrots inside here. So it looks like we have a lot of carrot juice. I'm gonna pour that in here. Oh, I swear, look at this. This is the second time this is happening. So this is my oat milk to strain the oats, okay?
Is that an old-fashioned way of straining?
Yeah, I used to do that when I was growing up.
I remember.
Coconut milk. You could see that it's not slimy, okay? Look at this. Anytime it's slimy, it means that you did not do it at the right temperature. When you're blending, you don't want slimy oat milk. You want it really nice and rich and like water. So I'm going to put that up, and then make sure your hands is clean. I'm gonna squeeze that. You could make a porridge with it after. Yeah, don't throw it out.
Make a porridge, please. The porridge sounds good.
It's very cold. Is our oat milk right here. Very nice, rich oat milk. Very demure. It is time for me to make the punch itself. Okay, about 2 cups of carrot juice, freshly squeezed. I'm going to put about half a cup of oat milk. Well, almost a cup. About 1 cup. Okay. Whatever amount of dates you want. You could use agave syrup or honey, but I'm using dates. You can add bananas, anything like this, but I'm keeping it just very simple today. I'm going to add some walnuts to give it that little nutty flavor that I like. And walnuts is really good for your stomach. If you have stomach ulcers, anything like that, best nuts to have. About a handful, I would say a 1/4 cup. I am going to put some lime zest, cinnamon, and nutmeg inside here. That's about it. Some cinnamon and nutmeg. Cinnamon, and now we are going to blend that up. And that is it. You're gonna get your glass and pour it in. Look at this. And you taste it to see what it tastes like. Zane, come taste. There you go, buddy.
Okay.
Try it. Tell me what you think about it.
I smelled it.
Yeah.
It smells like cinnamon.
Try it. Try it. What does it taste like? It tastes like a nice punch. I really like it. Wow. That tastes really good.
What about the carrot juice alone?
Honestly, this tastes really good. It's like a creamy pumpkin punch, it tastes like.
It's like a carrot punch.
Wow.
But it looks like a nice pumpkin punch.
This is definitely going to be one of my favorite drinks. A little less ginger. It has that little spice to it. Some people like it. But vegan drink, you guys, I'm going to be selling this one for sure.
This one is the best out of all of them. All the ones in this.
Oh my god. Now I need a video. So that was today's video. Thank you guys for joining. Honestly, this tastes really good. It's like a creamy pumpkin punch it tastes like.
It's like a carrot punch.
There you go. Okay, a little bit. That's it. A little bit. Come on, I don't want to waste it. This is like magical right here. Oh my god, this tastes really good. Wow. Yes, I nailed it.